How sweet it is to get paid just for doing nothing but walking, jogging, or running. Well, I've been using this crypto app that allows me to do all of those and more. With this app, you can earn as much as $200 every single day without even the need for any technical skill or relevant experience. This is what we call a move to earn method, and literally all you need to do is to move in order to earn. Today I'm going to tell you all about STEPN. But before we get into the video, welcome to Wealthmatic, your regular dose of crypto, wealth, and millionaire inspiration. Here we talk about the latest news, tricks, and tips in the world of crypto, so be sure to subscribe to the channel. In order to provide you with comprehensive information, I will be using this article by Ari Alderov, who really took the time to illustrate and explain everything about STEPN. So STEPN is a Web 3.0 move-to-earn fitness game established on the Solana blockchain, where fees are relatively low compared to the other blockchains in the crypto space. Pretty much like I said in the beginning, this app is where you can earn fat stacks of cash through moving around or performing regular daily exercise. The game will reward you with their own native currency, which is called Green Satoshi Token, or GST. And if we take a look at GST's price today, it's actually not bad at just below the $1 mark. Anyway, tons of users all over the globe are extremely satisfied with what they're earning with STEPN, as hundreds of dollars are rewarded to them every single day. Now take a look at this. STEPN has raised $5 million in seed round funding from Sequoia Capital, Folius Ventures, and other leading Web3 investors. With this massive increase in funding, STEPN aims to leverage token incentives to achieve its stated grand vision of 1. Motivating millions of people to live a healthier and more active lifestyle. 2. Onboarding more people into the Web3 avenue. And 3. Combating climate change by spending a significant percentage of the profits on carbon offsets. You may begin to think and ask the question, who is actually paying for all these rewards? Or maybe you think about the overall model of the crypto and whether it is sustainable or not. Or perhaps the possibility of STEPN attaining mainstream success like other play-to-earn games with the likes of Axie Infinity, but without the downfall. There are a lot of layers to STEPN, but in today's video, I am only going to focus on the core mechanics of the game, as well as the overall gameplay and how you can generate a huge stream of income easily. First things first, you are going to need to download the STEPN app on the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. It's available on both Android and Apple devices, so just pick whatever applies to you. After doing so, simply create an account, but you are going to need an activation code. You can get an activation code from someone you know who is already a STEPN user, but if you happen to not know anyone, then you can go to STEPN's official Discord channel and just wait for numerous codes to drop any time of the day. Step 2. Transfer Solana tokens into your in-game wallet using Coinbase or MetaMask. Step 3. Purchase your very first set of sneakers in the STEPN marketplace. The marketplace has a filter option in order to help you navigate your search better, and I recommend you only focus on floor price sneakers for now, as you are still a beginner. Once you have found the perfect sneakers that best suit your preference, you can now go ahead and start moving around by walking, running, or jogging. Sneakers play a huge role here in STEPN, so let's dig deeper into each attribute that makes up the overall sneaker. As you can see here on their website, there are 4 types of sneakers, namely the walker, jogger, runner, and trainer. Each sneaker type has a corresponding system that is unique to each other. For a walker, you need to move at 1 to 6 kilometers per hour, and each energy spent is equal to 4 tokens. But wait, what exactly does energy do? Simply, energy corresponds to a total of 5 minutes. So if you walk for a total of 5 minutes, that means that 1 energy is spent. Anyway, a jogger will need you to move at 4 to 10 kilometers per hour, where 1 energy is equivalent to a total of 5 tokens. For a runner, you need to move 8 to 20 kilometers per hour, and of course, the token reward is increased, where 1 energy spent will reward you with 6 tokens. And lastly, if you get a trainer, you do not need to move at a specific range, as these types of sneakers are the most versatile. You can move at the whole range of 1 to 20 kilometers per hour with single energy equivalent to 4 to 6 tokens. Next, let's take a look at the sneaker detail page. So there's a total of 4 core attributes to each sneaker that makes one unique from one other. These are efficiency, comfort, lock, and resilience. These 4 attributes have a direct relationship that significantly impacts your sneaker as a whole. You can also see these 5 different qualities for each sneaker, namely common, uncommon, rare, epic, and legendary. Now let's talk about what each of these attributes entails for your sneakers. First, efficiency enhances GST earnings. Second, comfort will enhance GMT earnings beginning at level 30. Third, lock enhances mystery box drop rates, where you can find tons of surprise bonuses and rewards randomly. And lastly, resilience, which reduces repair costs. Out of these 4 attributes, efficiency and resiliency are the ones you should focus on. A lot of experts say that upgrading or focusing on lock is not really worth it at the moment. In the same spectrum, GMT earnings only start at level 30, so upgrading your comfort can do you no good as well. So because of this, you should bear in mind that the 2 most important attributes to focus on are efficiency and resiliency. Now let me give you a little tip. This is actually what I do. Every day after I exhaust my energies, I usually repair my sneakers right off the bat and level them up shortly after. That's because the repair costs continue to increase with the increase of your level. You can also incorporate gems to add more rewards and to make your sneakers more powerful. But we are not going to shed much light about that for now, as it is mostly used somewhere at the latter stages of the game. Everything that you do is measured through STEPN's GPS system. It has a strong GPS system which ensures that you are actively running and that you're within the green zone. It also adds further security to make sure that you are not cheating, as it will not allow you to profit at all. Also, you need to move at the optimal speed range, and a strong GPS signal must be in order. If you have a poor signal or no signal at all, then that's bad news for you. Next, what can GST bring you? Well, one of the uses for GST is to level up your sneakers to make them more efficient and powerful. Second, you can use your GST earned to mint a new sneaker that can be up for selling or for your own keeping. However, the most obvious and most popular reason to burn GST is to cash it out by swapping it for USDC. Now get this. STEPN does not sell any of the shoes itself. Users can only buy them from other users through the in-app marketplace, with the current floor price priced at around 7.5 SOL. However, STEPN will soon introduce a peer-to-peer renting option to remove the upfront capital requirement and lower user onboarding friction. This entails that you can start earning even without the need to purchase the NFT sneakers, since you can just rent them from someone else and share the profit together. Furthermore, the game launched with an initial supply of 10,000 sneakers, and the total number of shoes in circulation can only be increased by breeding or minting new shoes from any 2 existing shoes that reach level 5 or higher. Each new user starts with 10 minutes of revenue generating gameplay, denominated in energy, with 1 energy equal to 5 minutes of move to earn time. Once the user's energy is fully depleted, it will be replenished at a rate of 25% for every 6 hours, or to put it into context, it will take a full day to get back to 100%. But here's something you should know. The only way to increase the user's energy capacity and the move to earn time as well is to have more shoes in your portfolio. And you can do this by either buying or minting new shoes. This will grant you a maximum cap of 100 minutes of continuous move to earn time. You can actually see the summary with the increase in energy in this table here. With 1 sneaker, you can get 2 energy equal to 10 minutes worth of move to earn time. With 3 sneakers, you get to have 4 energy equal to 20 minutes worth of move to earn time. With 9 sneakers, you are given 9 energy, which is equivalent to a move to earn time of 45 minutes. With 15 sneakers, you get to have 12 energy equal to 60 minutes or 1 hour worth of move to earn time. And finally, as it hits the 100-minute maximum of the continuous move to earn time, you need to have a total of 30 sneakers that can grant you 20 energy. So in total, there are 3 primary sources of income available for STEPN's users, and these are the following. Number 1, rewards in the form of GST generation that can be attained through daily exercise. Number 2, breed and sell new shoes on the in-app marketplace. Number 3, stake GMT or the governance token and accrue a portion of the game's profits. Now, let's talk about STEPN's tokenomics and business model. The resemblance of STEPN to that of Axie Infinity is widely evident, so let's take a deep look into that. At the moment, GST is the only native in token available within the game, and it most closely resembles Axie Infinity's in-game currency, SLP, like I just mentioned. It has an uncapped total token supply and is used as a medium of exchange to pay out user rewards, resulting in new token issuance or inflation. You can also use it to breed and mint or upgrade shoes, thus resulting in token burn and deflation. Given that total shoe supply can only be increased via breeding as the user base goes through its initial high growth phase, most of all new GST token issuance will be absorbed by the new token burn from creating new shoes. When user growth eventually declines, the demand for new sneakers will gradually diminish, removing the deflationary pressure on GST supply, therefore making it increasingly inflationary over time. And we all see the harsh effect of inflationary tokens. Someday, sometime, they will crash. This is one of the main issues that STEPN's team needs to look out for. Of course, they rely on data as to what happened with Axie Infinity in order to avoid token inflation. One of the things that they can do is to consistently add more creative and exciting ways to burn GST so as to keep the token from being inflationary. As of right now, the game's primary burning mechanisms include shoe breeding, upgrades, and recurring shoe repairs to offset wear and tear. Given the exponential growth in new users, these burning mechanisms will provide ample runway, especially to keep inflation manageable for the STEPN team to figure out new use causes for its GST token. STEPN is no doubt one of the most innovative and exciting new projects in GameFi today. It has set out a beautiful mission to get people to exercise more, onboard people onto Web3, as well as lower our planet's carbon footprint. Overall, the core idea to keep this type of game alive and thriving is to ensure that it provides entertainment to all of its users. And I can confidently tell you, it surely is addicting to see those rewards coming in, and it leaves you asking for more. And that's basically it for this video. Check out other videos on my channel if you are interested in more crypto and money-making content just like this one. If you have completed the video, hit the like button and tell me what you think in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post something new. That is it for today. See you in the next video.